triple loop learning. Okay, triple loop, double loop, at saka single loop. Yung triple loop learning, ginagamit daw yun ng mga organizations para ma-address o masolusyonan yung mga complex o mahihirap na problema. Kaya triple loop. Kasi yun yung pinakamahirap. So, yun yung ginagamit nila. Yung double loop learning naman, yun yung binabago mo yung rules, yun yung binabago mo yung goals kasi based on experience. Kumbaga, kung ayaw mong maulit yung mga hindi maganda o mga negative things, negative feedback, double loop ang gagamitin mo. Then yung single loop learning, yun yung pinakamadali. Mag-a-adjust ka to correct mistakes. So, ibig sabihin, yung single loop mo, kapag yun nilagay mo sa rules at based sa experience, that is double loop learning na. Kapag complex problem na, triple loop learning na. So, sa software delivery at sa software development, ginagamit yung double loop, single loop, double loop, at triple loop learning. So, mabutit na lalaman natin yan. So, yun lang po.